Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. How are you guys doing? In today's video I made Achicha, or rather let me just call it the way we call it in my place, Achicha. So if this is the kind of video you would love to watch, please sit tight, watch to the end and don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you.
So I started by pounding my Achicha. You guys, Achicha is called cocoyam flakes in English, but we call it Achicha in Igbo land. So I started with the Achicha first because you have to pound your Achicha and soak it with water for it to get soft before cooking. So this is me pounding the Achicha. So if you are cooking a large quantity of Achicha, you can as well take it to a local engine. They can as well break it into a tiny pieces for you. But a situation where you don't have a local engine, or maybe you are cooking a smaller quantity like me, you can make use of your mortar and pestle and pound it just the way I'm pounding mine.
My wife, oh, my wife, oh, my life, my everything, my wife, oh, she love me better.
So after pounding my achicha, this is what it looks like. Just exactly this way. That's how it should look. Very tiny. I'll go ahead and wash thoroughly. Like I mean wash like up to 3 to 4 times. If you have water where you live, you can wash up to 5 times. Like me, I washed up to 5 times. You guys know this is cocoyam flakes. They sun dried it outside for many days or some months. So it's filled with dust, dirt, and all of that. So you have to wash it as much as you can till the water runs neat, like till the water runs very neat. So this is me washing my chicha, and you can see how dirty the water is looking. So that's it. That's the reason why you have to wash your chicha very well.
She go dey manage you, my wife, oh, my wife, oh, my life, oh, she love me better. Oh, mwata de ma, chai, echeta nata, my baby, my wife, oh, 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 sugar mo, hey, hey, honey mo, na my condo, my baby, my wife, oh, my wife, oh, my wife, oh, my life, my everything, na my wife, oh, she love me better. Oh, mwata de ma, chai, echeta nata, my baby, my wife, oh, 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 sugar mo, hey, hey, honey mo, na my condo, my baby, my wife, oh.
highlifeng.com.
At this point, I'm done washing the chicha, and as you can see, the water is looking so neat. Yes, so this is how it should look. We are going to soak it for at least 1 hour. So this is fio, also known as abobo, but the English name is pigeon peas. So I will go ahead now, select and remove all the dirt with stones in the pigeon peas. Kasima is here dancing and rejoicing because she's going to be eating this sumptuous and delicious meal for the very first time. As you guys can see, she's so happy and also helping me out, my small assistant. We are done selecting the fio and this is what it looks like, very neat and stone free. So we'll go ahead and wash the fio.
My wife, oh, my life, my everything, na my wife, oh, she love me better. Oh, mwata de ma, chai, echeta nata, my baby, my wife, oh, 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 sugar mo, hey, hey, honey mo, na my condo, my baby, my wife, oh. I thank God for blessing in my life, oh, the highest blessing in my wife, oh.
So I added some salt into a boiling water. This helps in cooking the fio so fast. After which I go in with my fio at this point and cook for at least 15 to 20 minutes. And after 20 to 15 minutes, this is the fiofio. So we'll go ahead and sieve the water and wash it thoroughly at least 2 times to remove the excess salt from the fiofio, and then put it inside the pot for the and cook it for the last time.
My wife, oh, my wife, oh, my life, my everything, na my wife, oh, she love me better. Mata de ma, echeta nata, my baby, my wife, oh, my wife, oh, my wife, oh, my life, my everything, na my wife, oh, she love me better. Mata de ma, echeta nata, my baby, my wife, oh.
So here is the achicha soaking inside the water for 1 hour. As you can see, it's soft, like 50% soft right now. So I'll go ahead, wash it one more time, and transfer into a sieve for it to sieve out some excess water in it.
My wife, oh, my wife, oh, my life, my everything, na my wife, oh, she love me better.
So here is the achicha. We are going to be wrapping it with a waterproof one after the other.
My wife, oh, my life, my everything, na my wife, oh, she love me better. Mata de ma, echeta nata, my baby, my wife, oh, sugar mo, honey mo, na my own, oh, my baby, my wife, oh. I thank God for blessing in my life, oh, the highest blessing in my wife, oh. She know how to sweet in my life, how to cool my heart. Cause you know Lord in my day, no day, she go dey manage you. My wife, oh, my wife, oh, my life, my everything,
highlifeng.com.
my wife, oh, she love me better. Mata de ma, echeta nata, my baby, my wife, sugar mo, honey mo, na my own, oh, my baby, my wife, my wife, my wife,
And at this point, the fiofio is like 70% soft. We are going to be transferring the achicha and cook it together with the fiofio.
my wife, sugar mo, honey mo, na my own, oh, my baby, my wife,
After 30 minutes, the achicha is ready and I untied it from the waterproof. I'm going to be mixing it together with the fiofio, and this is me mixing it with the fiofio for it to cooperate together. And this is what it looks after mixing the two together. In a frying pan, I added my palm oil for making the sauce. Inside the mixed achicha and fiofio, add in your Cameroon pepper. If you have fresh pepper, you can go with it. I have Cameroon pepper at this point. That's why I'm making use of it. My nut cube, the seasoning cube, and the crayfish. You go in with your salt. Add in my onions and fry it for a few minutes. And then I go in with my oba. This is oba, also known as oil bean. You guys, oba is so costly this time around. I bought this for 1,000 naira and it's so small, so annoying. Okay, this is my oba inside the oil. I'll go ahead and mix the two together, mix everything together, fry it for some minutes. For me, there is no achicha without scent leaf. I cannot eat achicha without scent leaf. So this is my scent leaf. At this point, I add in my scent leaf, fry it together with the sauce for the taste to penetrate. There is this kind of taste that scent leaf gives to achicha. I don't know. Some people don't like making use of scent leaf in their achicha, and I don't know why. I love it so much in my achicha. So at this point, the sauce is ready. I'll go ahead and add it to the Achicha and feel. Ah, so delicious. The aroma in my kitchen right now, you guys. Go ahead and mix everything together. Let me ask you this question. Have you subscribed to my channel? Like, I don't know why. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, if not for any other thing, for bringing this sumptuous and delicious food to you. Can you take a look at this food? Hey, in fact, in my next word, I will still come to Igbo land. If not for any other thing, because of their food, I will still come to Igbo land. Omo, who they check am? Who they check am? See, if you're not married to an Igbo man or an Igbo woman, omo, you are missing a lot. You are missing a whole lot. We get food. Take a look at food now. See food now. Hi God, I dey cook sha. I can't wait to devour this food. In fact, I'm going. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I beg you in the name of God. Share this video, like this video. Drop your comment down below. Tell me what you think about this food. And I will definitely see you all in my next one. See you guys for now. Bye. Hey, let me go and finish my food. Akpiri